Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Aberdeen, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers helps you save time and money for the long-distance move. We offer you quick and budget-friendly moving services without compromising the quality of our services. If you're still worried about the cost, you can compare the cost involved in a DIY and hire professional movers. And you'll get to know that choosing professional help is cost-effective compared to any other option. Furthermore, apart from the pricing factor, you can stay away from the stressful job of packing and lifting. Our movers do heavy lifting efficiently as they have all the necessary tools to lift and disassemble the bulky stuff. Good packaging also helps to keep the items protected during transit, ensuring damage-free delivery of the goods. When relocating to a new place, often people have many questions in mind about the moving process, but they don't have anybody to give them an expert opinion. So if you're an Aberdeen resident looking for the local residential professionals to move you effortlessly, connect with our local and experienced movers to have a safe moving time. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Aberdeen moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.